Hello, Chef here. So a very good friend of mine, another chef with amazing skills, said you gotta try this European sea salt. I'm gonna use it as a finishing salt, so follow along here, and I'm gonna plate this meal up and show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, I got this amazing marinated grilled chicken here. I'm gonna put a piece of that down on the plate, along with a little bit of a tomato garnish here. This is an heirloom. Wow, look at that tomato, huh? And with this particular chicken, we're going to put 2 kinds of balsamic vinegar. This is a white glaze. This is the Modena. I think this is about 25 years old. We're going to put a little bit here, just as a little garnish. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, it's going to be good. We're going to use a little bit of this finishing salt right here, especially on the tomato. And of course, I like vegetables, so let's put a healthy portion of steamed cauliflower on this plate. And of course, some of the finishing salt is going to go on there, just like this. Some extra virgin olive oil, just like this. Wow, that is going to be good. Let's put a little pepper on there as well. Oh yeah. And yeah, chef likes salt. Let's put a little more salt on there, huh? Oh, thanks for watching. Smash that little like button, subscribe right down here. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, the garnish. That's going to be good. Yeah. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight. A little bit of this oil treatment is a good idea. Definitely going to oil this block. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Oh, whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. And it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you liked the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now.